Hello, suppose you have a big Microsoft Word file and you cannot save it as a PDF, like this. You have this PDF. So you try to save it after waiting for several minutes. So this is the error message. The export failed. And it says Word has insufficient memory. This is actually not the problem. How to solve it? So go back, open the file again, and then launch the Task Manager by clicking Ctrl Alternate Delete. Click Services. Scroll down until you see the word spooler. Here, okay, right click on it and then stop. Now let's try again. Save as PDF. It will take several minutes because the file is quite big. So now it's okay. So you can see that it's quite easy to solve the problem. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe.